What's up, everybody? Welcome back to one of our videos. I can't talk today, but if you're new here, my name is Kai.
And I'm Miles.
This is just two guys. So today, we're just gonna have fun in the parks. I'm trying to force Miles into like almost daily vlogging, but this takes a lot of work, like we've talked about before. We don't really have anything planned. We're here with some friends. You might see them on camera later on. But yeah, they haven't really been here that much, so we're just gonna have fun with it and see where life brings us today, I guess you could say.
Yeah, like we want to get their reactions to everything, you know, because they don't come to Disney as much as we do. So it's nice to always bring friends and family with us just to see how they react to different things. So like it's always a nice time to have our family with us. So we're gonna, you know, adventure with you guys. So come along with us, enjoy it.
Yeah. So hey, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, click that like button, leave some comments, be interactive, all that good stuff. Also, like I always say, you know, make sure you hit that bell icon and switch it to all, so every time we post, you are notified. Because lately, our shorts have been going crazy from this man right here. Our last short we did did 4,500 views in like 24 hours, which is crazy. So we're super cool about that. So we're gonna be posting more shorts to get that going, and it gives us more subscribers too. But yeah, so everything's looking up. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. First things first, stand by for, I was about to say Space Mountain, Spaceship Earth. 15 minutes, but that line's wrapped outside, crazy. So it's 11 today. We're here pretty early. We're never here this early. But I mean, it's pretty decent day. Like crowds aren't too bad, but I mean, it's good enough. We're gonna have a great time today. We're here at Guest Relations. And I never knew they had an actual braille map of the park. Like, this is actually pretty cool. I never knew that. I seen it at Animal Kingdom, but I think it's only at Guest Relations that they have this, right? Because I seen it at Animal Kingdom as well. Okay, thank you. Yeah, this is pretty cool. The more you know. Also, cast members are doing pin training again. You guys already know the first place we have to stop is Starbucks. Starbucks! I'm not getting a refresher, it's too early, I need actual coffee, so I'm probably getting my little milkshake thingy. Here's some tumblers. How much are they? 20, 50 probably? Yep, 50 bucks, if y'all can see that. Yay! Okay, that was horrible, but okay guys. I need more effort from the group next time, okay? 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 Yes, so we got our Starbucks. Yay! Alright guys, so we're finally going to Club Cool. We're gonna have our friends try Beverly for the first time. If you know, you know. All right, so this is Beverly. It is soda from Italy. Go ahead, try it. What? What?
It's okay.
What?
It tastes like Sprite.
What? What?
It tastes like Sprite.
Y'all are weird. Y'all are weird. Everybody usually hates Beverly. Like everybody says it's like horrible, and people be like, yeah, say it's like the worst soda ever.
Watered down Sprite.
What? What? What?
I don't like it.
Oh, there it goes.
Ah, there it is. Okay, okay, that's the reaction we wanted. What about you? The trash right there. What? You know what? I'm gonna go home and cry. So I really was not expecting them to like Beverly, because if you guys know, Beverly's like the worst thing ever. They was drinking it like it was juice. I don't know. I don't know.
Surprise.
Literally. But yeah, so we're gonna head over to Frozen. I'm not gonna film Frozen just because it was in our last video, so let's go check out the last video, but I might throw a clip in there from there. Because, you know, we love seeing Olaf. So if you guys didn't know, they actually have this little section right here for the purple martins. I'm with one hand right now, so I can't zoom in. But yeah, this is nice. And they are actually like flying around, chirping and stuff. There's one right there. But yeah, this is kind of like new, like in a way, because it wasn't here like beginning of Flower and Garden. But it's here now. Look at them, living their little birdie life. So if you guys didn't know, right here at the PB&J Garden, they actually give out, I believe it's on like Saturdays or Sundays. It's one day throughout the week, but they actually give out free peanut butter and jelly Crustables. Uncrustables. Yeah, because there's no crust, even though technically there is crust, but you know, it's life.
Unstoppable.
So yeah, there's that. The more you know.
The more you grow.
I feel like this whole video is going to be just the more you know. I don't know.
Yeah.
Miles. Crickets. Crickets.
Oh no, I don't feel like doing that today. I'll do all.
Crickets.
No, don't do that.
The wings get stuck in my
No,
throat.
no, no, no.
Why? Why?
Yeah, but they get stuck in my throat.
Why?
I want to see you.
I want to drink all day.
I should have never told you about.
I've been trying to make everybody do it.
That was my
Yep. Him and Adam. Him and Adam. Shout out to Adam. We miss you. They taste like sunflower seeds though. Yeah, like they weren't bad. But they did it without having to drink to wash it down. I just drank my drink afterwards, so then I got caught in my throat. Yeah. So maybe.
a wing got stuck in my throat.
Yeah. But I do want to try Miss Amaro's drink though one of these days. I do want to try that. Frozen to see Olaf. Oh yeah, we got her some ears. Yeah, they look pretty. We managed to get a virtual queue for Guardians that we're about to go right now. Frozen was great. You know it's facing me, right? Miles? You know it's facing me, right?
Oh, hold on.
To the right, this way. But yeah, so we got a virtual queue over to Guardians. Favorite ride. I haven't rode it in forever. I'm super excited.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, it's gonna be so much fun.
A roller coaster into space.
Literally.
Not to be confused with Space Mountain.
I mean, it's just like Space Mountain, but
Literally.
on crack.
Futuristic. It's like updated.
Yeah, like, like I love Space Mountain, but after riding this, like Space Mountain's just really boring.
Oh, don't say that
And
on the. Oh,
I did mean that. I only say that because there's no music, so it's just quiet.
Oh,
the
it
whole
is
time.
quiet.
It's just eerily quiet.
The one in Cali has music.
But yeah, that's the only thing I say about that personally. Like, I still enjoy Space Mountain, but it's definitely just like a lot. It's slower, but like I said, it's just eerily quiet in there after going on Guardians. And if you guys been on Guardians, you know what I'm talking about.
Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrence. I am Centurion Talmeric, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. The lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Here we go.
I didn't see anything.
You made it. I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, get ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the cosmic generator. And in just a few moments, will be activated so you can experience for yourselves what's happening.
I'm not sure.
Here we go. I'm not gonna film this because it's gonna be dark and you're gonna hear it. Ah! Guardians has been accomplished. Always gonna say it's the best ride at Disney. I don't care what nobody says. I don't know what was that song called? Yeah.
Everybody wants to rule the world.
Is that what?
Tears for Fears. One of the best songs
whatever.
of like the 1980s.
Yeah, what he said. It was a cool song, but it was just slow for the ride. Like, I'd rather get like a fast ride, like a faster song, like September or something. What you think about the ride?
All right. I like it. See, said all right.
Yeah? Yeah. Okay.
We got a
Bella, what do you think about the ride? I don't even know if it's on you.
I loved it. Yeah. It was really good.
Well, there you have it. What do you think?
Let me drive the boat.
Let me drive the boat.
We did it.
We did it. Next.
Not me using the camera as a music.
Next, I'm gonna get some food because it's like 1 o'clock now. So I'm gonna get the shrimp that we had in the last videos that we did here for Flower and Garden.
Yes.
They were amazing. I've been craving them ever since. So I want to see if they're still good. And then we're gonna do Ratatouille. And then that's pretty much it for this park. Like, we're gonna do that. I might get a drink from here, or I don't really know about that yet because my pockets are hurting today. But we're not gonna talk about that. So we're gonna figure that out. About to show this because I'm starving. But yeah, we got the shrimp. Still pretty good. It's like a sweet and sour mix, like it's orange chicken. There you go. That's what it is. It's orange chicken, but it's actually spicy, kind of. Has a little kick to it. But it's really good. I still give it like an 8 out of 10. Yeah, he likes it. So yeah, 8 out of 10. Recommend.
Come on. Woo.
It's good. It kind of tastes like yogurt.
Damn. These are both good. These are delicious. Yum, yum, yum. You like it?
So after pretty much almost drinking all this in like 5 minutes, my review on the Blood Orange, definitely a solid like 8 out of 10. I definitely recommend this. I'd get it again. I've been having a kick for some reason of margaritas. I don't know why. Miles, Miles,
Yes, sir.
how's your margarita?
What'd you say?
How's your margarita?
It's delicious.
Magically
I
delicious.
wish you guys could try it.
Give it a rate.
Magically delicious.
Give it a rate out of 10.
So I have the cucumber, and I'll give it about an 8.7.
Oh wow, I get mine just like it. I get mine at 8.5. If he's doing points, I'm doing mine at 8.5.
Oh, you got an 8.5?
Yeah. Would you get it again?
8.7. That is going to change that.
Would you gonna get it again?
Cucumber.
Would you get it again?
Would I get it again?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, me too.
I'm literally having a good time with my
I really want a bonsai tree, like for my apartment. This and like a Venus flytrap is something I wanted so bad. Like, they're just so pretty and they're small. And I think it's just like a cute little aesthetic if you can find the right place for them. Like a small one. I don't want a giant one like this. If I can get like a small one like these, I would love it. So we are back at Ratatouille. We're gonna go ahead and ride on this. I recorded this, but in the last video I couldn't put it in, so I'm gonna try and put it in on this video, hopefully. So yeah, you're gonna see that footage from the last time when it was just me and Sir Miles over there. But yeah, we're gonna have a good time. And then probably after this we're gonna go to Hollywood, but that's gonna be in another video. So this might be the last like ride of the day here. Then we're gonna go over to Hollywood and have a good time. Oh yeah, this is better.
Pour le repas idéal. Au Provin? Non. C'est pour un? Too simple. What? Mais oui, that's it!
Look at all those rats. Oh, that went this way.
Cette nourriture est pour nos invités, pas pour vous. Hey guys, the food is for them, not you.
touch it. I do. You gotta touch everything.
What are you doing? Que manigancez-vous?
I got food.
Dépêchez-vous! Par ici! Go! Go! serez toujours les bienvenus, cher ami. À bientôt et bon appétit. Mino. Oh.
Never for you, ladies well. You are always welcome at Bistro Shade Happy.
That's it for our quick little trip here at Epcot. Hope you guys had a great time. We had so much fun today. What were some of your favorite things to get today?
My favorite things today was trying the shrimp tempura at the Odyssey building and riding Ratatouille. I like those. Really? Yeah, I like Ratatouille.
Mine was Guardians, of course. I love Guardians. And the shrimp was good. And the drinks we had were really good today. So, like, everything we had today, everything we've done today, I recommend. Make sure you guys do it. They're all pretty much must-dos what we've done. Frozen, Guardians, and Ratatouille.
Ratatouille, yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, like I said, that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure you guys go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna head over to Hollywood Studios and go to the boardwalk and stuff like that. So that's gonna be in the next video. This might be like a little 3-day series. I don't really know yet. We're gonna see what we get into. But yeah, make sure you guys stay on. And yeah, we love you guys. Peace out.
See you later.